Alright folks, I've been a bit quiet on here lately. I just took a step back to maybe think about everything I've been posting and just make sure that it was staying relevant. And to be honest, look, I've realised something. A lot of my content was very structured and maybe a bit scripted, and look, it was working, but I suppose it didn't really feel like me at the back of it. So going forward, I'm just going to be myself on here, keep it simpler, more real, easier for people to actually take in, but still give them proper value, obviously. I suppose because at the end of the day, I don't want to overcomplicate a topic that doesn't need to be complicated. Shouldn't be, or it doesn't need to be overcomplicated, and I want people to understand it and use it properly, and that ties in with what I actually want to achieve with this page. There's really three things that I set out to achieve whenever I started this. I wanted to simplify AA so that anybody can understand it and use it. I want to show people how it applies to real life, their work, their job. I wanted to keep people ahead of where AA was going with AGA and ASA. And on that, I still think a lot of people are still completely misunderstanding where AA is actually at right now, and I suppose where it's heading to. If you watch or believe everything you watch on social media, AA is either taking over the world or it's just a gimmick. The truth is, it's neither of that, and it is moving very fast. But right now, AA isn't thinking like a human. It doesn't have awareness. It doesn't have real understanding. But what it is very good at is language patterns and problem solving within a certain scope. That's way it can write your emails, it can break down documents, it can help you plan out work, and in turn speed things up massively. I suppose that alone in itself is changing how people work day to day. So it gets really interesting whenever you get into AGA and its capabilities, or what they believe its capabilities will be. It's basically going to be an AA that can think and learn across multiple areas like a human. Essentially your brain only as a computer, but we're not there yet. What I will say is every new model that comes out is getting closer and closer, with better reasoning, better memory, and in turn better outputs. It's not going to be this big one moment where AGA just appears. It's going to be a steady build where AA keeps getting better and more capable over time. So the real shift happening right now isn't some future event. That people using AA today are pulling ahead very fast. That's kind of the level that I'd want to get a lot of the people on this page to. And over the next few years, that gap is going to keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So going forward, this page is just going to be me explaining things properly, keeping it simple, and making sure that anybody following this page has the information that they need to actually stay ahead of it.